It's early Saturday morning. The kids are asleep, the wife's asleep. Got myself some coffee here. And I thought I would do a quick review of a new toy I got. Here it is here. Swiss Army knife. It's the Victorinox Walker. Let me show you down here. There it is. Alright, so this guy is 84 millimeters long, so that's roughly 3 1/4 inches. It says it's got 9 functions, so they count the keychain as 1. You get the standard Swiss Army knife tweezers that come in handy a lot. I end up using those things a lot. Thing I really don't use too much, but it comes with a toothpick. So it's 3. Your large knife or blade. It's 4. And this is it's got a flathead screwdriver. It's 5. Can opener and bottle opener combination. And wire stripper. And if you hold it at the right angle, sometimes you can get a Phillips head out of that too. And then one of the coolest one, let me close this knife. This part right here is one of the coolest things to me. This wood saw. Let me close this can opener too. There you go. That wood saw is one of the reasons I got it. I used to have a Huntsman, and that's my favorite model actually, with the wood saw. But I got this little one. I was thinking it was a little bit smaller, but I wanted to give you a size comparison on the video. But I'm thinking it may fit on my keychain. It's got just the right amount of tools to me, just to be kind of one of those everyday carries. Hey, so I want to give a quick demo of the saw blade here, just to show you how good these Victorinox saw blades are. On this model, they're a little bit smaller than normal. We're going to give it a try and see how it works. Alright, as you can see, that worked pretty well. I mean, for the size of this thing, I mean, as long as my finger, for how lightweight this knife is, and for basic camp tasks like that, just you saw some small pieces to do some bushcraft stuff. Definitely, again, a high quality saw for its size and its weight. Guys, so for the price, you can't beat it. I think this was paid $17.95 on Amazon. It's only 2 layers thick, so it's really small, easy just to slide in your pocket. So if you're looking into this model, the Walker, I definitely recommend picking it up. Can't beat it for the price. There used to be a model called the Lumberjack, and this, I believe, kind of replaced that. They added the tweezers and the toothpick in this model. I don't believe the Lumberjack did. I think this came out in 2016. So this is the Walker by Victorinox. Definitely recommend it. Very nice everyday carry knife.